Hey everyone, Geo here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm going to be reacting to the Fat Conboulder 2 Dribble Pounder. I almost forgot for a sec. By CoolDo7208. Now, a little while back, I reacted to the Fat Rusty and the Fat Conboulder Part 1. This is just a continuation of that, like years later. As you can see, the faces are more 3D, per se. Well, with that being said, let's begin. And we're starting off with Gordon.
Gordon was resting in a siding. It had been a hot day, and the express had been heavy due to the extra 280,000 pounds added by Topham.
Oh boy, I'm still hurting.
So that's how much he weighs. I thought in the last episode he was going to start losing weight, but he only lost an ounce and only snuck off at night, so...
From yesterday's workout. You know, honestly, I'm probably only a few months away from having a beach body. Or, what's gotten you so now?
I get so out of breath, and no one cares.
Oh, come on, Gordon. Where's your gumption?
I lost it back at Knapford.
But that's where we started.
Well. Honestly, I never thought I would ever hear those words from you.
Here comes Thomas.
You know, I might have some good advice for you, big guy.
Spare me.
I'd ask for Topham to scrap your tender and give you tanks in a bunker.
Perish the thought. What a ridiculous idea.
I mean, you've seen us tank engines. We never get out of breath.
Oh God, Percy.
You tell him, Thomas!
Again, they gave him that screechy voice.
Why don't you work on Gordon?
Jesus, Percy, why do you have to keep...
I am so glad I'm not wearing earphones right now. Like, at all. Not like I can connect them to this computer.
jumping up out of nowhere?
What are you talking about? I can't jump!
Wait, no, I didn't mean that it's... shut up.
Come on, lads. Let's give Gordon some pace so he can gather his strength back. He'll need it for the return journey.
Get out of the way!
Joe Bollocks!
Sir, you have to move! Move!
Oh God! I'm panicking!
Oh, wow, that hurts. Sir, are you alright?
Oh yeah, boys. I think I'm all right.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh God. Jesus Christ.
Oh dear God! What's the matter with you? Where are your manners?
Oh yeah, like you would know anything about that.
Hey! I'll have you know, I happen to have friends in high places.
Ah, good day, Brother Percy.
Shut up! I tried to boast about my social status.
You having a high social status? Yeah, good one.
Oh,
You're absolutely ridiculous. No, don't you dare try and lecture me with a $20 head.
Uh-oh, Gordon's mad.
Enough! Both of you. I am exhausted and have no patience to deal with this. Be off!
You know, in my defense, I didn't really do anything, so...
Go!
Alright.
Just go, Murdoch. There we go.
The workmen tried their best, but still, Gordon didn't get any better.
It just sucks that Murdoch wasn't in the CGI series. She was replaced by Rebecca, but even then I still didn't watch it much.
Better. You'll need new tubes, Gordon. You'll have to have them fitted at the works. While Gordon was being mended, Henry was taking Topham to the fitness center. But one morning, Henry woke up ill?
Good morning, engines. Come on, Henry. It's time we're off to the fitness center. We don't want to be late.
Sorry, sir. I woke up sick. Yeah, I'm really sick.
What? But you weren't sick yesterday.
Yeah.
We get it. You're sick, Henry.
Sorry, I can't do it.
Bother. Now I'll have to try and find a replacement.
We've no spare engine except Thomas. Uh-oh. And he can't pull the train on his own. Whew.
Could Percy help?
No!
That still wouldn't be enough. Oh, thank God. But with Duck, they might manage.
No!
So it's settled.
No!
Poor Thomas. What's wrong with Percy and Duck? Well, I know what's wrong with
This is
Percy.
so exciting. I've always wanted to pull an important train.
Shut up, Duck. No one's excited for this.
I could leave right now. Would you prefer that?
No, wait. I'm sorry.
That's what I thought. Mess about, find out.
Why is this my life?
I call a shotgun!
Easy, Percy.
It's just an arrangement. Don't get any ideas up there.
Silence, faggot!
This is truly my biggest test in life. Will my boiler rupture before we make it, or will I survive long enough to kill these idiots?
Wait off!
Come on, lads. Put your backs into it.
And there goes another hernia.
Straining incredibly hard.
Freaking Duck. Oh, I want to learn how to make these like fan stories off of Trains Simulator or Trains Railroad Simulator or whatever it's called. But I never actually learned how to, but if I knew how to, I would, but if there are any what's it called? If there are any Thomas and Friends fan creators out there, send me a message because on how to on how to do this in Trains Railroad Simulator because I have no idea. I mean, I could use one as a Sodor, but there's only a limited amount of engines that I could that I have to use. But I want to learn how. I really do.
3 engines managed to pull Topham out of the station, ready for the journey to the works.
Alright, you lot. I'm in front, so I'm in top.
Wait, what? Literally nobody agreed to that.
I can't even understand what Percy's saying.
One more word and you'll be court-martialed.
Do you even know what that means?
No, but I heard it on TV, and it sounds important.
Well, I don't think this is so bad. I mean, having a leader is important. They guide the group.
Silence! No more chit-chat.
I suddenly don't like this arrangement anymore.
I need your full attention.
How can I be distracted? I literally can't even hear my own thoughts.
You hear the voices too, Thomas?
Wait, what?
What?
Alright, a new formation.
What are you talking about, Montague?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Yep, I'm gonna kill these idiots.
I just love how pissed off Thomas is in this. Meanwhile, Duck's over there like, all smiling the entire time. And Percy's just being Percy. How is Topham not coughing? From all that steam getting in his face. If he has a face.
Oh, for the love of... Will you shut up already?
Oh, no breaking formation!
I'll break your spine here in a second.
You're not the lady that did it, who's in
You. I'm literally done with this.
Dad, please stop fighting.
Shut up, Duck!
I can never seem to mend the divide, just like my real parents.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna snap you in half.
Come on, lads. I know this isn't fun, but just think. You're working together with the greatest gift on earth. Friendship.
Gordon's Hill is coming up, by the way.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no! Okay, I'm serious. We need to give it all we got. Repeat after me.
Are you serious?
Show determination.
God.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Oh God! Here it comes! Ow!
Another hernia. Lovely.
Oh my god!
How does Duck get hernias? He's a freaking steam engine. Well, maybe the pipes. Maybe the pipes running through inside him. Who knows?
But it burns!
Come on, we're almost there! Just a bit more! We did it! We're up!
Oh no.
Percy?
Oh no, Percy's gonna bust. And he busted.
Percy, you good?
Ouch!
Uh-oh.
Yo, bollocks.
Not again!
Why?
Huh?
Oh, settle down.
Have you heard of putting on your brakes, James? Seriously.
Lads. I'm getting indigestion back here. Ooh, fireworks.
Those aren't fireworks, Topham.
Percy, are you alright?
So now you care about my well-being?
What? No. I just need you to stay alive long enough so we can get this finished and I can go home.
How compassionate of you!
Come on, lads. I'm gonna be late for my fitness appointment. I need you to work together.
Well, unless you've got a spare engine hidden in the fat folds of your neck, we'll never get there. What the hell was that?
That would probably be Rheneas. My doctors still haven't figured out how to remove him from the folds.
You'll have to go
Rheneas is either stuck in Topham's folds, or he's stuck in Topham's butt.
on without me!
Probably his butt.
Just leave me some ammo! A little water! Some chips if you have them!
Did someone say chips?
The dread of never-ending labor. How far can one man be pushed before he breaks?
Ugh. At least it'll be quieter now.
Without Percy, it was much harder for the other two to manage, but they struggled on regardless.
I still can't believe they incorporated that big ass Topham into the story.
Oh, talk about a smoky barbecue.
I really don't know how much further I can go.
Hang about, I can see the station.
Oh my god, are you serious?
There it is.
Oh my god! It's finally over!
Now let's have a grand entrance into the station. Well, that's me out.
What the okay, you know what? That's it! There! Close enough!
Ooh, my smartwatch says I've gotten my steps in for the day. Whew, you've done it, lads. Great work. Now I must be off to my appointment.
Oh no!
Oh, shit! Good work, I just gotta go!
Rest in peace, Percy.
Percy! Speak to me, buddy!
How many fingers am I holding up?
Really?
I can't feel my legs!
Yep, he'll be fine.
I'm so sorry about this, boys, but I just recently found out that Topham has been cheating on his diet.
Of course
Wait,
he has.
what? I knew that
Badass.
fat bastard wasn't trying! I know. I do apologize for this. You three have done an incredible job. Now go and rest, and I'll give Topham what for. Oh my god. What?
The fault is not in our stars, but in ourselves.
Am I the only sane one in this world of Technicolor talking trains?
I guess you are, Thomas.
Oh, stop fucking around, you jump cuts. I need to get some anytime fitness.
Okay. That's got to do it for today's video, you guys. If there's any other videos that you want me to react to, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to react to more videos on this channel. If there are any more like funny or emotional Thomas stuff to react to, like YTPs, some fan-made episodes and stuff, please let me know, because I will love to react to more. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, follow me on my social medias and all that stuff. And also don't forget to subscribe to my main channel and my Reddit channel as well. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you all to death, and don't forget to stay positive to the Pride Lands End. Bye!